Hello, my name is Ty Hilligans. I am a student at Purdue University Calumet. I plan on talking about pesticide destruction in the environment in this slideshow. As American agriculture has progressed, pesticides have been used to preserve and help crops grow unhindered by pests that threaten crop growth and success. These pesticides consist of chemicals that ward off and kill these pests. While these pesticides have been found to be extremely useful and effective in keeping crops safe, the use of these chemicals has resulted in their release into the environment. Scientists are beginning to realize how these chemicals have been negatively affecting wildlife and ecosystems around the world. Two animals in particular are being devastated around the United States: amphibians and bats. Pesticides around the country are devastating amphibian populations. Pesticides are released into the environment through water runoff and overspraying. One pesticide found by Carcinite Brule to be lethal to frogs is headline, which treats certain fungi. When Brule tested the headline on frogs, there was a 40% mortality rate. A mortality rate of 40% is extremely high. This shows how susceptible frogs and other amphibians are to being killed by pesticide use. Another type of animal that is being threatened by excessive pesticide use is the bat. According to Shania Shaw, a science journalist, bats around the world are dying from a disease known as Geomycins destructans, or more commonly known as the white nose syndrome, which has devastated bats across the northeastern part of the United States. This disease, named for the characteristic white fuzz left on the nose of its victim, has a very strong possibility of being directly linked to pesticides. It may be linked to pesticides by the pesticide weakening the immune system to the disease. Bats are exposed to many different pesticides, especially because they consume the pests being affected and hunt in areas that pesticides are used, like farmland. These small, cute creatures are killed during the winter months, when the disease is most prominent. It seems that many of them are found dead hanging from the roof of the caves that they live in during hibernation. The destruction of bats and amphibians is devastating. The environment needs these creatures because they are active parts of the food chain. Both bats and amphibians play a role in consuming insects, which are often pests to farmers. They are both predators of mosquitoes, which can spread disease and also leave itchy, annoying bites. The loss of such creatures would be devastating to the already fragile environment and also to agriculture and health. In conclusion, bats and amphibians are clearly at a high risk from pesticides. These creatures are essential to the environment and to agriculture. Losing these creatures would cause significant damage to both the environment and to pest control. It is imperative that these creatures be preserved by the reduction of the use of pesticides. For more information on more species that are being threatened by pesticides, go to the link listed in the script. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day.